Hey guys, Christy here with the Seat Shop, and this is why you need to replace your foam cushion. So imagine sitting on this metal frame instead of your foam cushion. It would not be very comfortable, and you'll probably develop some back problems and pain from that. And that's basically what happens over time as your cushion wears down. So this cushion may look fine from the outside and on the surface, but over time the frame has cut into it, so much so that if there's a hole in the cover, I can actually put my hand all the way through. So this is going to cause you a lot of pain. It's going to lean to one side, your spine's going to be crooked, not something comfortable to sit on. So to slap a new cover onto this is basically like building a new house, but on old foundation. You're going to run into the exact same problems very quickly. So do yourself the favor, save yourself the pain and trouble, and go ahead and replace your foam when you replace the cover.